Since its establishment in 2000, the Chinese Culinary Institute (CCI) has been providing systematic training in Chinese cuisine for beginners and professional chefs who wish to obtain or upgrade their qualifications. It also aims to elevate the professional status and standard of Chinese chefs in order to strengthen Hong Kong's reputation as the culinary capital of Asia. Over the years, the Institute has provided a pool of outstanding culinary talents to fulfill the manpower needs of the industry. The Institute endeavors to establish Hong Kong as a regional training and accreditation center by setting up a trade test system in Chinese cuisine. With the mission of promoting the deep-rooted heritage of Chinese culinary art, CCI offers short programs and interest courses for locals and tourists alike to share the joy of cooking. The training at CCI is comprehensive and diversified. In addition to qualifications framework accredited full-time higher diploma, diploma and certificate programs, it also offers part-time Chinese culinary programs from elementary to master chef levels. Students will be imparted with theoretical knowledge and practical skills in a wide range of cuisines from various regions of China, covering Guangdong, Hong Kong, Sichuan, Hunan, Beijing, and Shanghai, as well as Hong Kong local specialty savory snacks and Chinese desserts. Students will receive complementing training in food purchasing, food costing, vocational English and Putonghua, food hygiene and safety, and computer applications to cultivate professional chefs with good ethics, effective management practices, and culinary skills. CCI is equipped with professional, purpose-built training facilities, including kitchens for the training of Chinese provincial cuisines, and a multi-purpose demonstration kitchen which is ideal for culinary demonstrations, international culinary competitions, interest courses, and trade testing. To gain invaluable hands-on experience, students will provide service to guests in the training cafe and Chinese training restaurant. With increased concern on food hygiene and safety, CCI features a food science laboratory offering training on food hygiene and safety, nutrition and food safety management for students to obtain professional qualifications in food safety and hygiene for future employment. CCI seeks collaboration with reputable institutions and organizations worldwide to provide exchange and learning opportunities for students and industry peers. CCI regularly invites distinguished Chinese chefs for demonstrations and organizes student teams for international culinary competitions. CCI actively promotes Chinese culinary culture by performing culinary demonstrations overseas and participating in culinary events and competitions. These initiatives help broaden students' horizon and further elevate the image of the Institute. A member institution of the Vocational Training Council, the Chinese Culinary Institute is dedicated to nurture professional chefs and promote Chinese culinary culture to strengthen Hong Kong's reputation as the culinary capital of Asia.